vegetables, squash, tomatoes, lettuce. Got some good stuff here. Oh, this is huge. A lot of beans, just like I have in the house. I have some beans in the house. Amazing. I don't even know what those are. Do you guys know what these are? Just let me know in the comment below. Looks like it beans, yeah, but I don't know what type of beans. Or maybe black beans. Look at that. Yeah. Hello everybody, welcome back. PieCover here. Yes, I just want to talk about the left and the right divide, the two party politics, and sometimes some countries have three party, or it doesn't matter how many, but they all all those political parties work for the same evil in the background, which is the central bank, basically. So, and this is a problem, right? And why money is evil is because money is being created by human beings, right? Like us. And why it's bad, because we have to work for the money somebody have to create for nothing. So it couldn't work, right? This can't work, right? You can't have a money that has to be created by a small group, right? Because what's gonna happen is, I'm gonna come back to the politics and the divide I see in many countries. But what you're gonna have in a situation where human beings can create money, other men have to create money that we have to work for, is they can use the same money to come against us, come attack us, and just do harm to us. And this is a big problem, right? So now we have something that we can defend ourselves with, which is Bitcoin, basically, obviously. And it's amazing, and this is why I like the song, the Rich Man from Richmond Hill, from the Rich Man song from Oliver, and I think it's an amazing song, right? So, but now let's look at the divide, because that's a big problem. Because now, okay, the problem with you have two-party politics, and just one get elected, and then next, after 5 years, another one is in power. So this is it's a nonsense game, right? It's a game played, but in the background, it's the same. Those are the same leaders. They are the same donors for those politicians, right? Those politicians have to take donations from the proof of stake system, right? So it's a proof of stake. So whoever donate your politician to get elected to be in power is gonna be the one who direct your politician. And who get most money in the most countries? It's the establishment. It's the political class, the bankers, and the banksters, and the central banks. Well, the central bank is owned by the banks most of the time, and those are the ones who are in power. So you have to remove that, right? You have to remove that in order to have a real free society where people can survive and thrive, right? So, anyways, I just feel like it's so amazing. Like, most people can't see that too. and they keep on fighting each other and thinking it's the other way. No, it's not the other way. It's not right, it's not left. It's it's just the money. You just have to fix the money. It's not all the craziness going on, all the problem with disqualified professionals. It all comes down to the money. The money is so broken, so you don't get a quality service for that money, right? If the money is broken, then the money you're paying with is so broken, then you get a broken service, right? You got a broken politician, you got a broken mind, a broken doctor, right? You got a broken society, right? Or that's why you see most people are obese, right? Right, there's a reason, right? The food chain is controlled by a few, right? So, you're gonna have most food. You have the illusion of choice, right? We have illusion of choice in everything, in the food, right? In the basically in the election. It's an illusion of choice, right? Those are the same people, right? You have this. You will have it when you go buy something, and this, you go buy a car. Just all illusions of choice, right? Now they want to dictate what model, what kind of car we drive, right? And you have to drive electric. It has to be a Tesla. It has to be from this manufacturer, right? Or if you don't, you pay tax on it. You're gonna pay carbon tax, right? So you have to drive, this type of things, right? You have to use this type of electricity, and you can't use that much, right? All these things are being controlled, while the opposite should happen, right? You should have let the free market flourish, and that's how you have progress. But you can't have a progress in a control system. Right? It's all stagnated. It will be all stagnated because progress can't happen, right, under control. Progress has to happen with a free society. So when you have, a two-party politics, right, left, right, and up, down, it just like, it just keep you distracted from what's going on, right? You have all this, gay pride and all this, my body, my right. Those are all those things. If you're in this side, or if you don't agree, you should be, you have to be like the enemy. No, you're not an enemy. These are just distractions to make you think you are the enemy of your cousin or of your brother. No, you don't have to be angry with your brother. It's a setup that makes you to have, it's a kind of a setup to make you angry and make you think that you're the opposite of your brother, of your cousin. You're not. And the beautiful thing to end this is at the end, you have Bitcoin that come to unite us and say, hey, it's not about that. It's all the money that's broken, and they want to distract us, right? They're just printing it under the table, and they just don't want us to know the truth, right? So, hey, now we have something when you can free yourself. You can escape that prison, right? They put us in, so you can finally, escape that, money printer, right? Now you have to keep on working all day, all every year, for what? Nothing, right? Just like Oliver said in the song, you're driving away, you're wasting your life away, for a shit pay job, and it's just not working, right? And your dollars are shit, right? All your money is worthless, right? So why? So, and because they're printing it out of in Bolivian, right? They can print infinite amount of it. So why you have to, right, be in that such situation, right, of, you know, destruction, right? It's mass destruction, right? And central bank print $1 trillion, right? Just like they did a month ago. In a month, right? They printed $1 trillion, right? That's mass destruction, right? But they don't want us to know that, right? They are the counterfeit class. I take, they just put whatever amount they want, and we have to work for it. Right? That's bullshit. Anyways, guys, this was PieCover. I hope you enjoyed this talk. If you like, subscribe, comment, stream me some sats. 1, 2, 3 sats is okay. And I'll see you again in the next talk. This was PieCover. Even corn community garden here, so amazing. So people come here independently to just do the garden. Very nice. And when it's time to harvest, and they just come and harvest. It's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing here in the community. Yeah, low time preference in some way. Some of the things here I don't even know what they are. They have onions over there for sure. I know that. That's a cabbage. And oh, it's windy. Very windy out here. But yeah, amazing. Yeah, lettuce, even more lettuce. And yeah, look how short the corns grow. Look how short they grows. Amazing. So yeah, and they have a little greenhouse over there too. A little greenhouse. Yeah, so amazing. Yeah, so anyways, let me go show you guys the other side. I see that before. Yeah, amazing. Those are huge. See, they build those big boxes around those ones. So the compost basically is inside and stay inside. Yeah, look at those bins. Those bins, guys. Yeah, amazing. And they have this aluminum plates all around. I think it's for animals so they can stay away, because there's raccoon, they don't like some deer, maybe they don't like a reflection, kind of, the light reflection, keep them away. I think that's why they put them in here. And they have all sort of things here. Yeah, the wind is crazy. Sorry for the wind, guys, but yeah, you got the idea. So anyways, and this yeah, so anyways, guys, I'll see you again. PieCover.